Hello there.
Wow! 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 Lay! Wow! Takbo! Ah! Yo, what's up mga kakalas dyan? So nagbabalik na naman tayo sa ating panibagong video, which is ngayon is maglalaro tayo ng part 2 ng Minute because hindi natin natapos yung part 1 natin since inutusan tayo ng parents natin bumili ng toyo. Dahil lang doon. And by the way guys, lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa 800 views and 1,000 views na binigay nyo sa akin doon sa may Super Seed and part 1 natin ng The Mimic. And dahil dyan, part 2 na ulit! Part 2 na tayo! So, by the way guys, sa kahit small amount of views man yan, it doesn't matter. I really appreciate yung pagda-like nyo, pagko-comment, and pagsa-subscribe nyo. Dahil kahit man small action yun sa small YouTuber na kagaya ko, napakalaking bagay na rin sa akin yun. And I feel motivated just because of that. And by the way guys, salamat rin sa 100 subscribers. And yeah, next goal natin is 1,000 subscribers. And kapag na-hit natin 1,000 subscribers, is mag-start tayo ng vlog channel natin. And truth or dare video! Ay, nako po! Aray ko! And by the way guys, I'm helping a friend nga sana na if ever na meron kayong binibenta na grow a garden pets, just message this guy. Ayan ang Discord niya sa link in description. And by the way, itong YouTube channel niya, he's a legit buyer ng grow a garden pets guys. So if ever man na nagbebenta kayo ng grow a garden pets, just message his Discord account. So ayun guys, legit siya. I mean, he has large amount of subscribers, large amount of Robux I suppose. But yeah, this is not sponsored guys. I'm just helping a friend. And if ever man na meron kayong pets na binibenta, just direct message this guy guys. So anyways, na ulit tayo, chapter 1 ulit tayo. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this, So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Mag-start na tayo. Arigato. Let's go! Oy! Let's go. So, dito tayo sa office ngayon. And meron tayong dalawang kasama. Okay, so ito yata yung wow. Wait, hold on. Ano natin yung volume. Medyo maano. Damn, so nasaan sila? Wala? What? Oh, dito yata. I think somewhere here. Dito? Dito, okay. Okay, find the key. Okay. So, kaya na mag-isa. Pero, I think kaya naman natin ito. And we have a key. And we should unlock the door. Grabe na, sa tutorial pa lang tayo. Wow. Wow, ha? Oh. It hurts to feel like this one. I wish I had a little more time to tell you my regrets. Damn. I won't rest until I find out what really happened in our room. Huwag yung random lumamat, no? This is unsettling, ba? What? Countdown? What? What do you mean? 10? What? Uy, nangyari? Anong gagawin? Yo! Anong gagawin? Woo! Okay. Putik naman, kala ko naman, hindi dilat. Grabe naman yan. lakas ng ano ko dun. I should be arriving pretty soon. Okay. I mean, this FX is pretty dark. Whoa! Whoa! What is that? Uy! So, nanta ka din? Grab natin yung candle. So, dito tayo sa may Seek out books. I need to find out where I am. Although, was I opening that thing this morning? Can't be real, right? I don't know! Oh, okay. Okay. I mean, hindi ko natuloy na video. Dito. So, let's look out for everyone. Let's do our best. Ginagawa nyo dyan. Papainit kayo. Oh my god! Bro, what? Oh my god! Oh! Bro. Parang kilala ko rin to. What the heck? Oh, we should look books everywhere. Okay, open natin ito. Why is it getting quiet? Why is it getting quiet, dog? Ano nagawa nila dun? Rooms with what would protect you? Huh? Oh, yung mga ganito? Okay. In a small village, there lived two orphan sisters. The two sisters lived in poverty and constantly starved themselves. One day, Mio, the younger, arrived home overfilled with joy. Rin, the older one, became skeptical about her. She questioned Mio was never told why Mio was so. But was then okay. As the day went by, Rin came to the final thought that Mio must have been eating well without her. Jealousy overtook Rin, and to satisfy her insatiable hunger, blah blah. Rin came to a realization that they have been selling money for the both of them. She became haunted with extreme guilt, leading to a mysterious appearance of a second knot on the back of her head. Damn! It was Mao Mia who constantly wailed for food, otherwise Rin would take in extreme pain. Damn! Okay, poison rats. Damn, dog, what the hell? The rats are poisoned by the well for her to continue. Okay.
Hello there.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Yo, come on. Oh.
Plug.
Wow! Whoa! Yo, do better next time, bozo. Yo, what do we do? Uy, baka duwag man ito mga kasama. Ano nangyari sa inyo? Tignan natin dito sa mga Okay. I think we got chased. I think we got chased, man. Why? You must ring a bell for her to continue. Nandiyan na ako ng rats. Putik! Aray, nakagulat! Boss! You need to stop it now! No way, bozo! Boss, ano ba to? Grabe naman to, nightmare mode ba to?
Hello there.
Wow! 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 Lay! Takbo! Ah! Grabe! Yo, he's killing me, bro. Chill ka lang, boss. I think we shouldn't make noises. Oh my god, ano ka ba naman? Dito. Saan ba yun? Saan? Ayun, yun yata sa mga fireplace. Woo! That's... Wow! 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 Kailangan ko ng daga. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan ako ng daga. Wait, what the heck? Saan sila kumukuha ng daga? Sa drawer ba? Nagtatago yung ano mo ng ano. Wow! 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 Ayun! Wow! Wow! Ay! Yo! I can't. Whoa! What the heck? Ah! Ay, ako na! Ay, putik naman to! Bro, you gotta stop doing that right now. Kailangan quiet tayo dito. Pag gumawa tayo ng ingay dito, yung kahit isa lang, we're cooked. Oh my god. Baka nakaabang lang yung ano na yun. Abangers! Puta ka! Puta! Ayoko na! Nagagalit na ako Hindi. Pero alam na natin na nandun siya. Okay, so dito tayo pupunta kasi nandun siya. Okay. We got to make this fast. We have to be fast enough. Gilid ka doon. Ayun, okay. Wow! Gilid. No! Isa na lang. Okay, isa na lang. So we gotta keep quiet. Kasi I hope na hindi na tayo mahanap dito. Kailangan quiet lang talaga tayo. Hindi natin na. So sure boy, kapag may narinig na tayo, malapit siya. The rats are poisoned by the wind for her to continue knocking again. Okay. Grabe, nagkakaantay na din rush tayo dito. Kailangan talaga maano natin eh. Like, maring natin yung bell. Kasi may poison tong rato. Chapter 1 pa lang to, pero nagkaroon tayo ng rush na tayo dito. Okay? Let's make a noise. I think let's wait. Lagyan natin ng strategy. Let's wait for her. Hintayin natin siya dito. Okay, nandiyan na siya. Tapos, hintayin natin siya pumunta dun sa kabila. Huwag ka mawala, subukan mo lang. Nawawala siya eh. Nawawala siya. Pag tinatouch niya yung ano. Bantay sarado niya yung bell. So, how are we going to... Bantay sarado niya yung bell. I think this is pretty much impossible. Okay, ito tayo. Okay, so poison rat. Meron na tayong poison rat. Okay, nagigets ko na tong game na to, guys. Takbo! Tumakbo ka! Bilisan mo yung pagtakbo! You have to be fast. We need to go to the safe room. Kasi, dun na yung pinakamagiging last na rat natin. Tata. Let's take a run. Okay. So, i-poison natin to. Okay, now we have poison here. Okay. Binibait natin siya dito, okay? Tara. Okay, we are knowing the game mechanics. And we should, ano na. What? So, kuha na natin yung rat. Na mayroong natin namin. Okay, so dito. So, sana nandito siya dito banda. Para makuha natin yung ano. Let's go! Okay, tara. Let's go! Ayan, pupuntayin natin to. Buti na lang merong ano, parang protected na. Okay, let's go! Okay, na-poison na yata natin siya. Ayun o. Wow! 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 Asa. Run! Oh my God! Isa na lang. How do I even run? Nag-glitch, nagbabag. Nag-glitch sa barag. Wala ako sa PC. Just let me go! Oh! Aray! Exit. Okay! Let's go! Damn, what the heck is this? This place. These things, they're truly not people. Ah! Buka mo lang. Ah! Ah! Hindi ako susundan, ha? Huwag niyo ako sundan. Hindi ako susundan, ha? Hindi ako susundan. Oy! Hindi ako susundan, ha? Dun. What do you mean hide? What do you mean hide? What do you mean hide? Oh, may time tayo makapag-crouch. Woo! No! Nakakatakot naman to. The question is, paano ako makakatawid dun kung wala akong time? Grabe naman mga ngipin ito. Baho ng hininga mo. Kaya mo nga mag-toothbrush. Puro manakot. O sige, bubuhay na tayo ah. Let's go. Takbo. Please. Bigyan mo naman kami ng time. Bigyan mo kami ng time. Let's go! Finally! Grabe, meron pa pala. Okay, meron pa. Sige, let's go. Ano objective natin ngayon? Putik na yan! Wow! Putik na yan, run! You expect me to run in that thing? Bilisan mo! Okay. Damn! Okay, pang ano na yata ito, no? Oh, yeah. Yo! Wow! Wow. Oh my God. Wow! Okay, tara. Uy! Hello, citizens! Yo, what's up? I've never seen your friend. Okay, please skip. Wait, Pinoy. What Pinoy? Basta si Old Man Pinoy yun. Hi. You seek of human sense. I have not seen one in ages. A weak breath like you managed to get past the great, no? Impossible.
How about you bring something in return for our efforts? Still assisting or guided by blind gifts? Then our
So, hanggang dito na nga lang pala tayo mga kalabisyon kasi we are recording for over 50 minutes now and we have limited space sa cellphone. So, kung gusto niyo na part 2 or part 3 ng The Minute, just comment down below guys, okay? So, salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this, So, salamat po sa papanonood. So, hanggang dito lang muna tayo. Spasiba.